paper with the red paste, and then we take to the parrilla.
Okay.
To the
Don't
we take to
think
the
about. I know barria. I know the word, but I
you
know I
know
want you to describe the picture in your head.
yes. Um, I don't know. Remember.
Describe the picture in your head. We take it to the thing that
Yes, I know the word, but now I don't remember.
don't worry about the word. Describe the situation. Describe the picture. Describe the situation.
Okay, it's like slow, slowly, slowly cook like barbecue.
Barbecuing. Okay, there you go. So you were thinking of using the word grill,
Yes,
parrilla, right?
yes,
But
grill.
barbecue is exactly it's still the same thing. It's still the same
Yes,
thing, right? So you see how you could choose to translate or you can choose to describe the picture.